it's you! I haven't seen you for 3 years! And you rocked it on 69. It's 69. It was awesome! It was awesome! Do you know why I'm here?
I'm thinking, Scott, you're probably gonna do what you did last time, aren't you?
Last time?
Scott, what are you doing?
Oh man, I'm so sorry.
We have to get ready for a show.
I need that coat. It's mine coat. It's mine. It's mine. Sorry. It's sorry. Out. Security. I would never do that. You know me. I would never do that. I'm here to interview you. It's all about you, never about me. So, what have you been doing for the past 3 years?
Well, I just got off the Horizon. I did Vista before that, and right before that, I was on the Imagination with you.
The Imagination. It was a blast on the Imagination. He did this thing called Divas. Do you remember Divas?
I remember you doing these, Scott.
I would never do that. Never, ever do that. So, what else have you been doing? How long did you guys actually have to rehearse these new numbers?
So we were in the studios for 3 months rehearsing the new shows, and then 2 months on board in Italy before we started sailing with you guys.
Wow, okay, I have to ask this one. The drones, the juggling of the drones. Do you have like little remote controls anywhere? How do you do that?
It's all automated by software from a German company.
Wow, that's incredible. And let me think. Okay, you've done all of those songs. You did that. What was that thing you did in the atrium? You were singing, you were all in white. What was that about?
So that was Celestial Strings. We sang a post-show song in Italian, Nessun
In Italian. I don't think I can do that one. I don't think I can pull that off. Wait, you're laughing at me like I can't do this. You know I can do this.
I'm seeing you on stage. I bet you could.
I know I could. What else have you been up to?
Well, just took a little bit of a vacation for the first time in like 3 years, and now ready to get back to work.
And you're here how long?
6 more months.
6 more months. So you guys do like contracts, right?
Yep.
How does that work?
So anywhere between 6 to 10 months. This one's actually going to be 11 months all in total, but just 6 months on board.
6 months on board. Now, how long do you have to rehearse actually before getting on board?
We generally do about 3 months before we get on board, and then we take about a 3-week break to go home, see our families before we start this big process.
So wait, do you rehearse on the ship or do you go off the ship and then
It's both.
So you do both of them?
Yep.
But this one, they actually pulled everybody from different ships.
Different places. We were all handpicked to come right here.
To the Carnival Panorama. Why? Because this one's the best. You gotta come enjoy it. Well, thank you so much for doing this.
Absolutely.
So this is the stage, right?
Yep.
Wow, it's such a big stage.
Bigger than the last one.
Yes, it is a bigger one than the last one. So I will talk to you later. I'm gonna go interview somebody in the back. I'll see you later.
See you
Gotta
soon.
go.